The TRE kit from AutoID has finally arrived. So in this video, let's unpack the kit and see what's inside and get them installed. So this is the much needed aero kit for the G87 platform or the G87 M2, and this is a TRE kit from AutoID. This is a kit that was designed by AutoID in collaboration with TRE. So let's see what this is all about. Oh, here we go. Let's see, what do we got? This thing comes with a whole bunch of hardware. So first thing in the box is all of the hardware. Got all the self-tapping screws and a bunch of adhesive primer as well, which is cool. I was worried that it wouldn't come with hardware, but it does have hardware within it. This is what that one looks like. In addition to the TRE kit that includes the front splitter and the side skirt, I also requested the rear bumper winglet as well. And let's check out the quality of these rear winglets. Actually no, it's part of the front lip. So the front lip comes as 3 pieces, the center piece and the 2 side splitter pieces. So that's what these are, as you can see here. Really high quality, super cool. If you look at the back, you could see all of the pre-preg carbon that was used to create this. Comes again with the 3M tape, so it'll stick on, and then we're going to be using the OEM mounting points here as well. We got screws for that as well. So that's one piece of the front splitter. Okay, so here are the rear bumper winglets. That's what these are. I can't wait. Pretty high quality carbon fiber as well. So that's one side, and let's look at the other side here. So leave that out there. Make sure we don't lose any of the screws. That's one of the main things that seems to have come loose in its packaging. So now this is the front splitter itself. This is the centerpiece of the front lip. So as you can see, it's quite nice. Oh, this is awesome. I've been waiting for this for so long. You see all of the little touch points have 3M tape, which will help it sit, and then again using OEM mounting points for the front splitter. The finish on it again is cool. The design of it is cool. You know, you've seen Jack speak about this in his videos, where all these design pieces were functional, that allows air into the ducting as well. And now the only thing that's left is the side skirts. These are the biggest pieces in the box. Oh, it comes with a nice little bag for the whole thing. Okay, now this is wrapped properly. I love this. And it has a little winglet here you could see as well. The winglet has some inserts here as well that will stick to the side of the car. And you'll see that in a moment when we do the install. And that's what gives it that extra rigidity so it doesn't flop around. Hope you can see that there. That's what these are. Pretty cool. Love the design. Super excited to put this back on. Why wasn't this here for Impact? Seriously, damn it. Oh well. Put that there for now. What else is in the box? We'll put that aside for now. Well, thank you AutoID for sending this. Sorry things didn't work out in the way we wanted to have this for Impact, but it didn't happen. But it's here, so let's put it on the car. I think it's gonna look super good. I can't wait. And we create a whole bunch of content with it. So let's dive into it. So the front splitter is missing some hardware that basically attaches these 2 pieces here. So trying to connect these 2. So I'm gonna head off to Home Depot and find some screws. Same thing for this as well. Now they've included all the self-tapping screws. That's what goes into these pieces here. You can see. So you got one tapping screw, another one there, another one there, another one there, and so on. In the AutoID video, they took this centerpiece out, but we're gonna try and install it without taking this centerpiece off. I think once the bumper or once the car is raised up a little bit, we can go underneath and basically install these self-tapping screws and drill right into this black piece here. So we're gonna go give that a try as well. Now for the side skirt, again, we're gonna use the OEM 10 mil sockets or 10 mil bolts. So they're the appropriate mounting points. And what's also cool is that they've given you some screws that you can drill to reinforce this as well. And these are back here and they go straight into the 3M tape. Before we head to Home Depot, here's the rear bumper winglet. It's pretty neat as well. So let's do a little quick dry fit. And it's gonna sit around here somewhere. And that's gonna look pretty mega. Oh yeah, that's gonna look pretty cool. The rear one's pretty simple. It has these two OEM 10 mil socket bolts that goes right through here. And then we have one self-tapping or regular screw that you can get in here. That's included as well. So AutoID, if you guys are watching this, it'd be really cool if you guys could include the connecting hardware here as well between the three pieces of the front splitter. Other than that, amazing quality splitter, side skirt, and rear bumper winglet. We're gonna head to Lucas's place where he has a whole bunch of hardware, and we're gonna try and get it installed. And we are at the Dubcest Dub Garage, and he's helping me out, doing a quick dry fit.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
So we're gonna attach all the three pieces first.
Yeah.
And then we'll go for it.
I think this piece comes out too, eh?
Yeah.
You can actually mount probably...
The self-tapping screws?
Yes, but I think you can actually put this on this piece directly. First, I think from what I watched on one of the videos.
Well, so in the video, they took the centerpiece off.
And mounted this first?
Mounted that first with the self-tapping screws.
Yep.
And then they attached this onto the side piece because once it's off, it's easier.
Okay. That's pretty aggressive, eh?
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Yeah, okay.
But I was thinking that we don't have to take the centerpiece off.
No, you don't have to. You got just, well, it's so high now, we can just do it like this.
Yeah.
Something
Make it easy.
Make it easy, yeah. And then this one, so this one's gonna go like this. That one's gonna go
Oh, that's gonna look so good, man.
like this.
That's cool.
Yep.
It's more aggressive than I expected.
It is, eh?
Wow.
Definitely more aggressive in person.
Quality's good though, eh?
Yeah, the weave is beautiful. I like when even on the side, all the weaving is very straight.
Yeah. It's not OEM style weaving, but it's very good.
I'd say, well, it's 2x2, which is OEM, but I just the quality is really nice on it.
Yeah. Well, just compare it to the roof, which is slightly different.
The roofs are always 1x1. I don't know why they do that.
Oh, I see. I see.
All the roofs are always 1x1, but like if you see the mirrors, like on my car even, like all the OEM pieces other than the roof,
yeah,
they're always 2x2. So
interesting. I didn't know that. So if you get like a M Performance rear diffuser, it's the same kind of pattern.
It's same as this, yeah.
So well, there you go.
For some reason, the roofs are always 1x1. I'm not sure if it's a structural thing. Maybe they're stronger, 1x1 weave. I don't know.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna get to it. So the idea is that we're gonna attach these. So the kit didn't come with the connecting screws.
Yeah.
So what I did was I got
Little bolt and nut.
a nut and bolt.
Yep.
I think it was a size 8. Nick the Click ID dude with his black G87.
Yeah.
He suggested I use those, so I'll bring that out.
All right.
And we could attach those first and then
Put it up.
put it up.
All right.
So here's what we ended up getting. It's the 832x1, and we got some washers. Did a trip to Home Depot. We got some washers and some bolts to help out. So that's what we're gonna use now. So we need 4 of those. Let's get to it. All right, so Lucas is gonna use a 10 mil, remove all the stock bolts.
10 mil. Okay, gotcha. What is this one for? That's just an extra screw you could...
No, the self-tapping screws.
Oh, so you have to just screw it as a different screw?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll show you which ones those are.
I have some self-tappers.
Okay.
I have like metal self-tappers for plastic and metal.
So tell me if this is what they provided is too much or not. So let me show you.
Well, to be honest, I don't think we even need this. I mean, depending on this one, maybe you need more than this one.
Yeah, these ones more.
Yes.
This one
but
we don't care as
That one is
much.
going to be 3M taped and on this one and that one.
Yeah.
So I don't think you need that one.
So he only suggested this one because when they do the testing, apparently this was doing
more force on
more
that
force
one.
on that one. Okay. So, and that goes into the black. So this time around, we're not forgetting to use the adhesive promoter. It's basically alcohol wipes that'll clean these sections up here. So that's what we're gonna do. So the lip is on.
5 minutes later.
There you go. But we haven't tightened everything yet. We're just started up all the 3M. So we're gonna, I guess, tighten it up and then pull the 3M?
No, we're gonna pull the tape off, heat up all the 3M tape,
and then tighten
press it with our hands.
Okay.
And then we'll tighten the bolts.
Okay. So there you go. Ready to go. Lucas has only installed how many front lips now?
Well, I just installed a new one on mine because I ripped mine off.
That's Lucas's new lip. So
That's the
pretty cool.
EV Aero lip.
What is it?
The Venturi Aero lip.
Ah,
EV Aero, they have their own aero line now.
nice. Okay, let me go help him. A little bit of heat gun to heat up the glue. So it'll stick on.
Ready? I know where it is, you know?
All right, so we're putting the self-tapping screws in. Oh, Rambo style. You snapped it.
It's Rambo muscle. Perfect. Oh yeah.
So quickly, the self-tapping screws that we're using, much shorter ones than the ones that are provided in the kit itself. So this is what's provided in the kit. Do you want to use this sort of rubber washer thing?
No, don't need it.
Okay.
Because actually there's more thread goes in the bumper. I prefer to use it without it.
Okay. So here's the difference between the two.
See, the biggest risk you come on, can I see the one they supplied? So this one, when you screw inside here, this can potentially come out of here.
Oh yeah.
It's so thin, and this goes actually right in this place. So
yeah.
if you have a small angle, like too much forward or whatnot, it might actually come out through the bumper. That's why I like to use the shorter ones.
Yeah.
Because either way, there's the whole screw is still going into the bumper.
Yeah.
If not even more. So, yeah, that's a bit too long in my opinion.
Okay. Can I get a refund, please?
And then this one here, was there more holes there or not?
Yeah, there's lots more. Front splitter is done. It looks amazing. Good job, TRE. Good job, AutoID. And good job, Lucas. Thank you. Oh, frying open a drink. Now we head off to do the side skirts. We're pulling out or starting the 3M tape so we could start to stick them up.
All right, you ready?
Ready to go.
Done.
Done. Looks good. Looks good. Oh my. Oh, can't wait to get it out in the sun. So pretty much at this point, I've run out of batteries on my main camera, my B camera, and my phone as well. It was a bit of a late one. We were trying to rush to get the kit installed. Super thanks to Lucas for helping with the install. It would have taken me much longer if I tried to do it on my own because I didn't have any other tools and I would have been cranking it by hand. Overall, this kit totally transforms the G87 platform. Oh man, this M2 looks so much more aggressive and so much more appealing to my eyes now. So every time I get out and look at the car in the garage, I just have to keep looking at it and staring at the details of the kit. So unreal. And I can't look at the stock M2 anymore. It just feels like it's totally missed something. Originally, when I didn't have the kit, I was totally okay with it being stock. But with the kit on, there is no turning back. Amazing kit. Thank you, AutoID. Thank you, TRE. Amazing kit. You guys killed it. It's been a few days since the install of the TRE kit, and we got to take the car outside, take some pictures, and do some video. So we'll take you to that now. there you have it. The TRE kit totally transforms the G87 M2, an absolute must if you're not into the stock look of the G87. It was missing something, and TRE and AutoID fixes the G87. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing and install video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. We have a few more months before winter hits, and we're going to try and create a lot of content with it as well. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.